Personal air cooler. The air coolant pulls warm air from the room through its evaporative water filter to create your personal space with both humidified and cool air. Simple to use. Simply add water into the tank, plug it into USB port or power bank and turn on. The built-in water tank lasts up to 8 hours once fully filled. User-friendly, does not require batteries as it has a USB charging port design. Its small size makes it very convenient and portable to take anywhere. Built-in night light. Built-in LED light with 7 colors allow you to customize this mini air cooler and display a mixture of bright lights to set the mood. 3 wind speeds, high, medium, low, can be adjusted, enabled to get to 5 to 8 degrees. You can choose the most suitable one to enjoy your leisure time, sleeping or working time. Electroplated motor cover, blade bracket, download and canopy. Contact us on 180010311313. 5 blades made of high quality wood. Light on or off and speed controlled by pull chains. Powerful motor with silent operation. Sweep, 1320 millimeters. Warranty, 2 years on product.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.